Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'm covering everything you need to know on how to grow cilantro or coriander from seed. So let's get started.
Cilantro is best started from seed. To start, you need whole unprocessed seeds bought from either a seed store or even a grocery store from the spice section. Before planting, you must perform a very important step to split the seeds in half. You can grind the seeds with hand and split the seeds. Cilantro plants germinate from little seeds or kernel inside the hull. Cilantro will take much longer to germinate if the hull is not split, since the hull first has to deteriorate before the little kernel inside can grow. There are two kernels inside the cilantro seeds on each side of the seed. While the foliage and green leaves are called cilantro, the edible seeds are called coriander. Plant the split seeds in a pot with just 1/4 inch of depth. Cover the seeds with soil and water the seeds well. In just 1 week, cilantro seedlings will pop up and start growing. Cilantro is very easy to germinate. However, it is a bit challenging to maintain cilantro plants if not grown in the right climate, since cilantro bolts very quickly in hot weather. Cilantro is best planted from seed as cilantro develops taproot and does not like being transplanted. After 2 weeks, the seedlings grow to 2 inches tall. Make sure to place cilantro plants next to a window so that the plants receive sunlight. Cilantro likes moist soil. However, overwatering can cause leaf spots, which turns the cilantro leaves yellow. Insects rarely bother with cilantro plants due to cilantro's strong scent. Cilantro is one of the most popular herbs and it is heavily used in Indian and Mexican cooking. Cilantro adds fresh flavor to any food. After 1 month, cilantro plants grow 4 to 6 inches. At this point, you can begin harvesting cilantro and new leaves will grow to make a much bushier plant. Cilantro is very temperamental with temperature. Hot weather rushes the cilantro plants to bolt and flower to produce seeds. You can plant cilantro outside in early spring and in fall or autumn. However, you can always grow cilantro right on your kitchen counter all year round. Cilantro has a very short lifespan, so it is best to start cilantro from seed every 2 months.
I really hope you enjoyed this video of growing coriander or cilantro from seed, and I hope you liked some of those cool shots, and I'll see you in another video.